Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to resolve no sound issue on your TELEFUNKEN TV. First, check your remote control for the mute button, which will mute or unmute your TV. Make sure that after you press this button you see an indicator on your screen which shows that your speaker is currently working. Also, adjust the volume using the volume levelers and increase the volume level so you can hear sounds. Let's check the sound output currently selected for the TV. Go to the dashboard, navigate down to Settings, and open Sound Settings. In Sound Settings, check the sound output and make sure it's set to your TV or your active output. If it's set to the TV, your sound should be working properly. If it's not, then you most probably have some sound effects in the same menu. Try toggling them off. We have Dolby Audio on this TV, so we can turn it off, and this will allow us to set the rest of the settings automatically. We can also toggle the surround sound settings, go to Equalizer and manually choose one of the available presets, or use the user preset to adjust the decibel level for each frequency. Basically, if the sound output is set to TV, just choose the appropriate source where you can hear sounds and check the sound on your TV. If you still can hear no sound, try a cold reset by unplugging the power cord from the outlet, waiting for about a minute, then replug the power cable and check the sound once again. After you play media on your TV once again, you should be able to hear sound coming out of it. If you still have issues, then you should reach out to customer support service and notify them about this issue. That will be all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.